Hello everyone. This is my channel links. Well, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, do like, comment and share. This is a very big problem. See now, problem detected. Port 3306 is used by the exam, etc, etc. See, this is a MySQL problem. MySQL database could not start. If I click start button, see, nothing happened. Attempting to start MySQL service, that's it, nothing happened. So I'm going to give you the solution. Look what I'm doing. First of all, you need to go this PC or file explorer. Here I'm using Windows 10, no problem. If you're using Windows 7, 8, no problem. I installed this in the D drive, so I'll go to the D drive, XAMPP. If you install this in the C drive, you must go to the C drive. Okay, D drive, XAMPP, then here XAMPP stop. I need to close this quite. XAMPP stop. Could not find Apache logs. Stopping XAMPP. Close this. Start. Enable to open logs. Close this. Now xampp-control. Click here. See, now MySQL running. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.